In this practical, we will graph the motion of a particle in a longitudinal and transverse wave over time. Our aim is to analyse the motion of a small section of a slinky, which we've marked with a red ball. We've used a GoPro camera to take high-speed video at 120 frames per second of both a transverse wave and a longitudinal wave. Here the video is being replayed at a frame rate of 30 frames a second, slowing down the apparent speed by a factor of 4. We've tracked the motion of the ball in each case using a free video analysis program called Tracker. By placing a meter ruler in the frame of each video and marking this, the software can correctly scale distances in the video. We then use the Auto Tracker feature of the software to automatically mark the position of the red ball to produce a graph of vertical position versus time for the transverse wave at the bottom, and a graph of horizontal distance versus time for the longitudinal wave at the top of the video. Using your copy of each graph of the position versus time, determine the period of each wave. In this section of the video, we directly measure the velocity of the transverse wave by manually tracking the position of a peak over time. Using your copy of the graph, determine the velocity of the transverse wave on the slinky.